How to fix common error in LinkedIn. In order to fix common error on LinkedIn, first you could try basic troubleshooting steps like cleaning your browser cache and cookies, signing out and back in, or trying a different browser. Now, apart from it, what you also want to do is you could also try restarting your device. Hold on to your side button and then you could restart and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Next, what you also want to do is you could also try cleaning your cache and cookies. For that, you want to open up settings on your device, locate settings, and after which you want to go ahead and locate apps from the list and locate LinkedIn. After which, click on storage and cache. So click on clear cache, and this way you'll have successfully fixed common error in LinkedIn as well. Now, if the issue still persists on, you could also try checking for an update. Head over to your respective app store and on the search bar type in LinkedIn. And once you do it, so you want to make sure to go ahead and click on the update button. That should be able to fix. Now, apart from it, what you could also do is you could also check your internet connection, as it could be due to the internet connection. So you simply want to scroll down, you want to long press onto it, and then you want to go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi or the phone or the internet that you're connected to. Restart, that should be able to fix. If you're using any sort of VPN or extension, you could also try disabling that, as it might contribute to troubling the issues as well, or troubling. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.